What is it?
It's a mirror that glows.
A mirror that glows?
I can't remember.
We're gonna see the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh.
You give us a tour? Yeah, show us around.
Here it is.
Okay, here it is. All right. All right. So I guess that's where you.
It's a really clean bathtub and also has a really clean toilet.
Oh, great.
It looks different.
Thanks.
Yeah, it looks really
Okay.
clean.
Why don't you keep showing me around the hotel? So it's Disney's Grand Californian. Can you say? Can you say welcome to Disney's Grand Californian?
Welcome to Disney, California.
Okay. Keep showing me around here.
So
It
here's
wasn't
the
Disney Ride, it was Main Street here. That Disneyland Main
couch and 2 beds. And Grandma, she also got us jelly beans.
Oh.
And the balloons. This gift called.
How do you know it's from Grandma? Did you read it?
Look at this is the biggest balloon. Ah! Sorry. This is the biggest balloon.
Okay. Do you want to go?
Hold on. You got to keep telling me about the tour. Okay, and then
This has.
Wyatt, why don't you come read this?
And then we have Wyatt
Watch.
punching balloons.
Come read this, Wyatt.
Here.
Here, see what it says.